Welcome to the Ozzstar channel. I'm Glenn, and today I've got a quick tip for you today. So if you've got a floor jack, I'm going to show you something real fast and simple you can do that can prevent a lot of damage and a lot of headache and some heartache. So let's get to it. So here's our floor jack, and the problem that you can experience if you're unfortunate enough is this handle right here. So these handles rotate, and obviously they move back and forth as you're jacking the car up. But this part right here can cause a lot of damage to paint. It also cause dents. That's not a good thing. So a simple solution is what I do is I get some of this pipe insulation. You can find this in the big box stores. It's usually around where the plumbing section is. And basically this is an insulation. So this one's made of, it's kind of like a rubbery material. There are some foam ones I guess you could use too. This stuff right here is just a peel back self-sticky, but it usually doesn't go all the way around. So what I do is I just basically place it there, cut it off where I want it. I'm actually just going to have about 6 inches here on the end because this is knurled for grip, and sometimes you got to tighten this down. This thing could spin if you have this on here. So then I'll just do that. I'll just cut my section. Easy enough. Take a piece about that long. Cut that with a pair of scissors. Simple enough. And I'll peel this plastic stuff back. You don't really need it. It's not going to fit exactly tight. This is probably about 1.25 inches. And then all I do is bring this right around to about 1/8 inch over the top here, and bring that right around nice and tight as I can get it. Stretch it. Make sure it's in position. That looks good. And then I'll take some of this Tesla tape. It's basically like a cloth type of fabric. I mean, it's fabric with some glue on the back, kind of like you use it for wiring harnesses and stuff. You could use electrical tape, it wouldn't matter. And all I'll do is bring this around. I'll bring this around in about 3 sections. And this stuff just tears. You don't really need to cut it with scissors. Let's test it out. Let's pretend the toolbox is any car of your choice you pick. Won't be one of my Corvettes, I know that. Anyway, as you can hear, it's smacking, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's not leaving any dents or scratches. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick tip and trick. I mean, it's very inexpensive, only takes a few seconds, and can save you a lot of headache. Safe jacking is always a good thing. Anyway, thanks for stopping by the channel. I appreciate it. Instagram, Ozzstar1. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.